Alright, you see we got the furnace running. When we got here, the blower was just running. We tested that. We tested all the safety switches to make sure nothing else was bad. And we made the decision to go ahead and get a circuit board. It's had a code on it. And just everything within we've got a circuit board. That's the brand new board that's in there. So it's been running for about 3-4 minutes. I'll make sure everything's okay. This is the board here that was changed. Okay. We're doing like 033. And the board just went into lockout and didn't come out. And it was energizing at low speed. So also I could not get it to call for heat. So now I got to call it for heat with my jumper. So everything's set where it was. So we're going to cycle it one more time. And that's it. So, Merry Christmas.